Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
5 secrets to make pizza crust like a pro. Use enough salt. Flour is not enough to add flavor. Its bland taste does not make a great base for your toppings, so it is imperative you season the pizza dough well. Never use a rolling pin. Don't go heavy on the toppings. Par bake if necessary. Bake at maximum temp.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
In either case, you preheat your oven to its maximum temperature with the stone or steel in it, and then slide the pizza, from a peel, onto the preheated surface. The absorbed heat in the stone or steel helps cook and crisp your bottom crust. If you have a grill, you can also make grilled pizza outside.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
It's absolutely essential to pre-bake the dough for 5 to 6 minutes before adding your toppings. Once you've added pizza sauce and all your toppings, return it to the oven to finish baking. This will result in a crust that holds on its own and is crispy on the outside, and soft and airy on the inside.
Take our lead.
The main reason you sprinkle cornmeal or flour onto the bottom of your pizza tray or pizza stone is so that it will stick to the bottom of the pizza dough. This way when it cooks it won't stick to the pan. But if you use just regular flour, that's the only benefit you'll get from dusting the dough.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.